Hitik na hitik sa aksyon ang bawat eksena dito sa Codename Acero. Pero, hindi naging madali ang pagbuo nito.
Sobrang stricto nila na hindi kami pwede gumamit ng live guns. So, ang production way around it is we got airsoft. Mga airsoft yung barrel namin, yung mga pang-hobby. Pero we hire another effects team there. Ang gamit nila, instead of explosives, mga propelled gas. Eh, since nasa desert kami, madaling i-simulate yung explosions ng gunshots kasi hangin, gagano sa sand, kala mo tumatama yung mga bala. So that's a very unique way of doing it na hindi ginagawa sa Philippines, na hindi ko pa nagawa sa buong years ng pagde-direct ko. Tapos doon nakakaliw kasi very safe. Miski malapit kay Richard yung explosion, nandito lang, pero puro gas yung lumalabas.
Patayin muna!
Fight scene dun sa tawag nila sa Abra, yung man-made river dun sa may around Dubai. Nung nakita ko yun, naisip ko maganda magka-fight scene. Hindi ko alam kung papayagan kami. Then eventually pinayagan kami, pero bawal daw mag-toss ng tao dun sa river for health reasons.
Maghinamos ka!
We didn't have much time to shoot the helicopter sequence. We had limited time because may appointment pa yung helicopter and all. Pero pagdating ng helicopter, nag-shoot kami kagad, nag-roll kami at kinuna namin yung chase scene ng dalawang 4x4 sa Desert Dunes.
Ang scenes sa Desert Safari, yun yung pinakamahirap na shooting namin. Yun din yung pinaka-enjoy. Kasi kahit na mahirap, mainit na mainit, tumatakbo kami sa buhangin, may helicopter shots. Mahirap gawin, pero minsan mo lang sa buhay mo as artista, minsan mo lang magagawa talaga. Kaya fulfilling para sa amin yun na makagawa ng gano'n.
Araw-araw nandito kami, kailangan namin mag-take ng 2 tabletas. Ito, hawak ko. Salt and dextrose tablets. Yan ay para maging balanse yung katawan namin habang sobrang init ng panahon. Lahat ng mineral sa katawan namin maiwan habang pinagpapawisan kami dito sa deserto.
It was very good. We were able to capture the endless desert dunes of Dubai na napakaganda lumabas sa camera.
Madami mga firsts sa project na to. Of course, it's my very first project as a kapuso dito sa GMA. And of course, it's my first time to work with Richard at the main event. First time na mag-shoot dito sa Dubai. Ano ba yung mga yun? We have a little bit of a problem. Kasi si Richard, nalulunli. Richard, what can you say?
Hindi naman ako lonely dahil nandito si Hart.
Ah, talaga?
Ikaw ba?
Ano?
Masaya ka ba?
Masayang masaya.
To be honest, I was very, very excited to work with Hart from the very start. Nung nalaman kong siya'y magiging kapartner ko dito, talagang na-excite ako times 10. Matagal ko nang gusto makatrabaho si Hart at never ko na-imagine na mag-asama kaming dalawa. It was just a dream. At ngayon yung dream na yun natupad na. I'm happy to be working with her. Magaling siyang artista, professional siya, at totoo siyang tao.
Sobrang nagulat ako dahil iba yung ini-expect ko. Noong umpisa, akala ko mayabang, akala ko, wow, Richard Gutierrez. Believe na believe ka din sa sarili mo, no? Lakas-lakas ng dating mo. But then, you know, he's so nice, he's so fun. Maalaga siya sa mga kasama niya dito sa show na to. Sobrang bait talaga. Tas, he's very hardworking, very disciplined with what he's doing. Hindi siya nalilate, kaya okay siya. He's a very good guy. Good actor pa. Guwapo pa.
Sa ganda mong yan, ang anghang mo pala magalit. Ano kasing anghang ng mga spices dito sa Dubai?
Talaga, ano mo mga hirit mo? Kasing asim ng sukang paumbog. Sobrang saya ng aming stay dito sa Dubai. Lahat kami inspired. Desert, sobrang init, pero sobrang feel mo yung mga pangyayari, yung weather, everything. Na nafe-feel mo yung character mo, super nagtatransform ka into your character. And the staff, everybody, the locals here, they're so nice to us. Sobrang, it's just a great time. It's a new experience.
bagong-bagong experience din para kay Heart ang belly dancing.
Kinabahan ako ng slide kasi nga, syempre, madami dyan yung anong ginagawa ni Heart, what is she doing now? But it's so nice. It's sexy but classy, elegante siya. Ang ganda-ganda ng sayaw. Ang ganda ng damit namin. Ang ganda ng pagkagawa ng eksena. Yes, nag-prepare ako. For the last how many months, medyo masyado akong payat. I gained around 10 pounds for this. Dahil nga, di ba sabi nila kailangan medyo may laman-laman ang belly dancers dito. And nag-rehearse kami, parang nag-super fast course ako ng belly dancing bago ang eksena on the same day. Sobrang sarap, kaya nag-flow lang yung body ko. Sumunod lang siya and I got it right. So I'm happy.
Talagang it was jaw-dropping. Talagang mahusay yung pagkakagawa dahil ang bilis niya na-pick up yung belly dancing. Nagulat nga kami na 1 hour lang nakuha na niya kagad. Proud na proud yung teacher niya sa kanya na Lebanese na belly dancer dahil ang bilis niya nakuha. At talagang maganda yung kinalabasan.
Ng busy schedule namin, nagkaroon pa rin ng pagkakataon si Chart na makasalamuha ang mga kababayan natin sa Dubai. Pero isa lang ang tumatak sa team, ang pakikisama at pakikiisa ng mga locals na nakatrabaho namin doon.
Very eager to please sila. Lahat na nakatrabaho namin mga lokal, sobrang bait. Very accommodating. Yung hirap namin, hirap nila.
Isa lang ang lagi naming naririnig from their end, na gusto nila tayong katrabaho dahil masayahin ang grupo natin, sa gitna ng hirap, alam nilang hindi tayo sanay sa init, and yet nakikita nila, in general, ang Pinoy pag nagtrabaho, masaya.
Believe me, with this crew, I feel they are like my brother or my family. Very easy to work with them. People understand why they came here. They know everything. They don't like to lose time.
Really, I'm enjoying. First thing, I don't know these people is working very hard, and these people have very good experience. I surprised really because I'm working this many years ago. But really, the people work very hard and it's very, very good work.
I told you before, it's funny, guys. Really, it's relaxed, enjoyable. Not like some crew that I was working before that really makes tense and panic in the...
I have to say it's one of probably the most pleasant teams that I've ever worked with, given the fact that the crew is quite a large crew.
Anything. Superwoman, 007. Superwoman. In Dubai, you say the name Ayat.
Traveled from abroad, shooting immediately. The days are quite long. Everyone is really, really pleasant and very understanding.
Actors were very good, working hard in desert, in Safari Desert, and while it was very hot, it was very fine working with them.
My wife, she's Filipina, so I cannot say anything more than that. I feel very comfortable dealing with them. We can coordinate together. Sometimes I feel I'm Filipino sometimes.
Kahit saan kami nakakapag-shoot, legal talaga dito lahat. May security kami. Nagulat ako sa production natin dito. Kasi lahat pinapayagan. Nagda-drive kami sa highway, nagtitigil kami, magbibihis kami mismo sa highway.
Meron kami mga shots sa highway, meron kaming hagad na kasama. Talagang kumpleto yung permits namin at na-capture talaga namin yung beauty ng Dubai.
Kahit saan kami mag-shooting, kinokontrol talaga yung environment, yung mga tao.
Thanks to the help of, syempre, yung production team na Jellyfish sa Dubai. Magaling sila magtrabaho, very professional sila.
May power, may leveling ang mga lola mo dito.